Is your computer acting up? Don't worry. Fix My Computer Cape Coral is here to help. Call us at 239-382-7247 for fast, reliable computer repair in Cape Coral, Florida. At Fix My Computer Cape Coral, we provide professional and affordable computer repair services. From virus removal to fixing slow computers, we handle it all. Our services include computer diagnostics, hardware repairs, virus removal, data recovery, and network setup. We make it easy by coming to your home or office, saving you time and hassle. Need it fixed fast? We offer same-day and next-day services for your urgent computer needs. Worried about the cost? We offer competitive pricing with no hidden fees. Our clients love us. Check out our 5-star reviews from satisfied customers in Cape Coral. We pride ourselves on delivering excellent service and customer satisfaction. Don't wait. Get your computer back in top shape. Call 239-382-7247 or visit fixmycomputercapecoralfall.com. Now, let us fix your computer issues today.